If you've ever wanted to make AI images right inside Instagram, you're in the perfect place because I'll walk you through the whole process in a simple, easy way. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Let it load for a second. Now, once you're on the home screen, tap the message icon. Depending on your app layout, it might be at the top right or at the bottom. Either one works. This brings you to your messages section. Here you'll see all your recent chats, but we need to start a new one. So go to the search bar at the top and type Meta AI. You should see the official Meta AI chatbot appear in the results. Tap on it to open the chat. Just like opening a normal conversation. At the bottom, in the message box, you can now type your prompt. This is basically the description of the image you want Instagram to generate. You can type something simple like, create an image of a dog running on the beach, or get creative and describe colors, styles, backgrounds, anything you want. Once your prompt looks good, tap send and give Meta AI a moment. It will automatically generate an image based on what you wrote, and it will appear right in the chat. You can tap on the image to open it in full size. Then save it to your gallery, download it, or keep chatting to create more images. You can come back anytime and generate as many AI images as you want, all from the same Instagram chat. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more quick and helpful mobile tips. See you in the next one.